Hello, Chari sir. I wish you all the very best for your future journey, upcoming journey, and it was really nice experience working with you. Thank you so much for all the support and guidance you have provided me till now. Once again, wish you all the very best for your upcoming journey.
हेलो चारी सर, कैसे हैं आप? होप यू आर डूइंग वेल. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल द बेस्ट फॉर योर फ्यूचर जर्नी. पूरी हरियाणा टीम आपको मिस करने वाली है. लास्ट 2.5 years में DIB में आपका जो सपोर्ट मिला दैट वाज रियली फैंटास्टिक. और हम आपको याद करते रहेंगे आगे भी गाइडेंस के लिए, सपोर्ट के लिए. और we are happy also that you are going back to your native place after so long. So sir, be in touch. We hope कि future में भी आपके साथ काम करने का मौका मिलेगा. So thank you so much and best wishes from whole Haryana team. Thank you.
Hi Chari, making this farewell bye-bye video for you is not a very nice feeling. But it's time for you to go, and I wanted to say that me and my team had a great time working with you. I remember the last time when I said goodbye to you was in 2011 at the regional office, where we were developing simplified lessons, and we're discussing your experiences with Nandi and kind of work that I'd be doing in my new role. And thereafter I got to work with you at LLF in 2019, and it has been a great tenure working with you. You're one of those rare professionals who's so patient, understanding and calm always. You've been like this cushion who has absorbed me and my team's complaints, qualms, angst, and always patiently heard and advised. We're really going to miss that. We'll miss our cushioning layer, and it was a real good experience working with you longer this time, and we will miss having you around. I wish you all the best for your new role. And it's a small world in this sector, and we'll bang into each other sometime really soon. Until then, please take care. Stay well. Stay connected. Bye.
नमस्कार, मैं नेमूराम साहू, ब्लॉक ऑपरेटर, जिला दुर्ग. मैं चारी सर के लिए कुछ कहना चाह रहा हूँ. चारी सर जी महान व्यक्ति हैं, धनी व्यक्ति हैं और सरल हृदय के एक कर्मठ व्यक्ति के रूप में गुजर जाते हैं. चारी सर जी LLF में बहुत अच्छे से काम किए. जितना भी समय हमें दिया वो बहुमूल्य रहा हमारे लिए, हमारे जीवन के लिए. और मैं चाहता हूँ कि चारी सर जहाँ भी रहें, जिस फील्ड में रहें, और हमेशा सुख में रहे, समृद्धि मिले और उसका यश हमेशा सदैव कीर्तिमान होता रहे.
जी नमस्कार, मैं ओंकार मिश्रा छत्तीसगढ़ में पाटन ब्लॉक में कार्यरत हूँ. और जैसे कि बात हो रही है, चारी सर ने हमारे साथ अभी तक काम किए और अभी इस समय पर वो हैदराबाद में रूम प्लेट के साथ काम करेंगे. तो अभी तक लगातार जैसे कि उनका मार्गदर्शन हमको मिलता रहा है. जब भी जरूरत पड़ी छत्तीसगढ़ टीम को तो हमारे साथ बिल्कुल वो कदम से कदम मिला के काम कराए हैं, और जहाँ भी उनकी सहयोग की आवश्यकता थी उन्होंने मार्गदर्शन किया है. तो यही है अपेक्षा कि उनका मार्गदर्शन हमेशा मिलता रहे, क्योंकि ये धरती गोल है, कहीं ना कहीं हम आपस में टकराते रहेंगे. तो जब भी मिले उनका मार्गदर्शन मिलता रहे, और भविष्य में उनके नई जर्नी के लिए उनको बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं. धन्यवाद.
Hi Chari. No, it was a breaking news in our SMT WhatsApp group. So mentioned that you are planning to leave LLF. It's shocking news for me. You are great support to finance team, especially project management, budget management, and utilization and donor relationship. And really we are missing your presence in our office. It's a really good memories and moments working with you. It's a remain with us. All the best for your new career. May God bless you and your family. Keep in touch, Chari. Thank you.
Hi Chari, I would like to take this opportunity to thank you for all your support and guidance. Last 2.5 years were really amazing and I really learned a lot from you. You were always there to support me and guide me whenever I got stuck. I will really miss you a lot and I'll be always in touch with you. I wish you all the very very best for all that you do and your future. Take care.
चारी सर, आप जा रहे हैं और मुझे अभी भी याद है कि जब आपने ज्वाइन किया था तो हम लोग कितने परेशान रहते थे अपने बजट्स को लेकर, और आपके आने के बाद बहुत क्लैरिटी आ गई थी और अब मुझे कभी प्रॉब्लम नहीं हुई। मतलब कोई भी प्रॉब्लम होती तो मुझे पता था कि चारी सर के पास जाएंगे तो हमें सब समझ आ जाएगा, हमें पता है आंसर मिल जाएगा। आपने हमेशा हमारी प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करी है और बहुत अच्छा लगा आपके साथ काम करना। थैंक यू सो मच और वी विल मिस यू एंड ऑल द बेस्ट फॉर योर फ्यूचर। बाय।
Hello Chari sir. When you had joined the organization, one of the main things that we talked about amongst ourselves was how cool you were, how easy to talk to, how easily accessible you were, and you've always had stories then and now as well where you talk about your prior workspaces and your college days and the bonds that you've created with people, about what you guys used to do outside work. And I think this is the most unique thing that I'll remember about you. You've always talked about the bonds that you carved in your workspaces, the human bonds that you've made, and it's been very nice and hearty to hear those tales. And I know you miss your family a lot, and I mean I'm glad that way that you're going back to them and you'll be going back to your daughter who's missing you so much from all the stories that I've heard from you, and I'm happy for you. So yes, and what I'll miss the most about you, definitely the next time we have a Google Meet or any of the Zoom call or anything, and you always had these interesting backgrounds. Also, I remember you were funky enough to upload that picture of yours as a DP. So you've always been never too straight jacketed and very tried to keep an image of sorts, but always been very relatable that way and fun. So I miss that part a lot, and I hope we stay in touch and we get to hear more stories from you, and we see you again sometime. All the best, sir.
Thank you so much, Chari sir, for providing all the support that you have provided till now, especially for creating a feeling of trust within the team where we knew that you will have our back in case something doesn't work out. The most infectious part about you is your calm attitude and your relaxed mindset. I think no matter how much troublesome the situation is and how much complex different dynamics are, you're always able to see through things and provide a very great insight that helps me to move forward. That I think is a piece of mentorship that I'll definitely miss. I really hope that we are in touch. At the same time, I really hope that you enjoy your time with your family in Hyderabad and that you find great success in your work. Please be in touch and hope that we are able to take your legacy forward here. Thank you.
Hello Chari sir. First of all, I would like to say that I've been really fortunate to have you as my boss so far, because in my opinion you are the ultimate captain cool. आपको मैंने जितनी भी बड़ी प्रॉब्लम्स के साथ कॉल किया है, जितना भी एंक्शियस होकर के कॉल किया है, आपसे बात करके लगता है कि सब कुछ मैनेजेबल है, सब कुछ हो जाएगा, सब कुछ अंडर कंट्रोल आ जाएगा. So that has really helped me a lot to not have a nervous breakdown. Thank you so much for that. इसके अलावा आई थिंक काफ़ी लोग अपने वीडियोज़ में इसके बारे में बात कर रहे होंगे. आई वॉन्ट टू रिपीट दैट यू हैव ए ग्रेट सेंस ऑफ ह्यूमर. प्लीज़ डू नॉट लूज़ दैट टच. कॉल्स में आपसे बात करके हमेशा आपके वन लाइनर्स आते रहते हैं या फिर आपके कुछ कमेंट्स आते रहते हैं जिसकी वजह से जो टेंशन होती है वो बर्स्ट हो जाता है, स्ट्रेस बस्टर्स होते हैं वो. सो दैट हैज़ ऑल्सो हेल्प मी अ लॉट. थैंक यू सो मच. एंड इन द एंड, have a great future, keep in touch, and hope to keep seeing you and meeting you frequently. Thank you.
Hello Charya sir, your goodbye to me is a mixed feeling. It was a very short tenure of working with you, but then definitely your guidance and support, which I will always remember and thankful for it. Looking forward to engage and probably be in touch with you forever. Thank you.
Hi Chari, all the very best for your new journey in Hyderabad. May you have lots of good health and may you be able to spend more quality time with your family. As a manager, you were always quite comforting to work with. It was always pleasant to have you around and discuss so many things with you candidly. How I wish we could have spent more time in non-COVID times and without the pandemic. We could have interacted more and sort of learned from you more. So yeah, that's it. And thank you for everything.